Hey guys, this is Brandon from Esprit Tech Media, and I thought I'd just do a quick review on the new Yahoo Axis browser. Now, it's not exactly a browser as much as it's a plugin. You can get the plugin for Firefox or for Google. So let's go ahead and start. This is the home page for Axis. This is where you can download your version of Yahoo Axis. You can also get it for the iPad and the iPhone. And I'm not sure if they actually have it out for any other devices like Android, but I'm sure they'll be coming out with that pretty quick. So, all right, let's get started. So when you download the desktop version, you get this little module off to the side, and when you just roll your mouse over it, it expands over the bottom of the screen. We can just click in here and let's Google. And what happens is down here you get some suggestions like you would in a Google search, and then over to the right you've got thumbnails, pictures of the website, and this makes it a lot easier for you to just scroll through and find the website that you want before you actually have to go to the website and press the back button. So it takes a couple of those steps out of there. And if you have a trackpad like the Magic Trackpad or Magic Mouse or something similar, you can just scroll with your mouse back and forth and the results. You can also click on these tabs right here and explore the different ideas and searches that the search engine has for you. Right down here, if you click on this tab in the lower left hand corner, it will open up this little space where you can choose between web and images. So if you switch to images, it will pull up all the images that are related to your search. Alright, so if we go here, it's going to pull up the image right here and it will bring it up in a nice display. Alright, back to web. Alright, let me show you the favorites place. Now, if I wanted to favorite this web page, WikiHow, wait for it to load, and then the module should appear in the lower left hand corner after everything loads up. Alright, it's right there. Bring it back up, and we're just going to press the favorite button, and it will pop up a module where we can assign it to whatever folder we want, the read more folder, the my favorites folder, and we can even make our own folder. So new folder 2. We'll add that. And then go back here, and in this little button right here, we can see all of our bookmarks and all of our favorites. Right here off to the left is all of our different folders, different bookmark folders. And here directly to the right is all of our, and we just push on this little tab right here and we should be able to get to, especially if we had longer pages off to the right, we could scroll through those pages. We can also search our bookmarks if you have a lot of bookmarks. We can just close it, get back to our main search place, and then let's go to our home. Our home is like our home base for everything for Yahoo Axis browser. Through here we have all of our read later. We can scroll through this. If you've got a trackpad, you can just use your 2 fingers. My favorites, my read later. You can also sync with your other devices and just pick up where you last picked up on. You can get access for your iPhone. But that is a brief overview of Yahoo Axis. On the iPad version, it's a lot more intuitive and it's really nice because everything is all in one place for your iPad, and you also have tabs on your iPad so you can have different searches. There's a couple downfalls to it. I would say the biggest downfall is the fact that you have to use the Yahoo search engine, and I have noticed in some of my searches that I'm not getting as good results as I would from Google, and that's a little disappointing. It does seem to slow down my system like the browser, and it's a pretty intensive plugin. So when you're using it, if you noticed, even in the preview, even my screen was a little slow, my scrolling was a little slow, and I have an iMac 27-inch. It's got 14 gigs of RAM. It should handle this fine, but it does seem to run a little slow sometimes. So those are a couple of the downfalls. Other than that, it's a really great browser. It kind of changes the way you even think about browsing, and I'm kind of waiting for Google and Safari and some of these others to maybe do a little bit of their own Yahoo Access browsing. Anyways, thank you for joining me. Comment, like. Thank you.